Hey, this is Ronald from Mad Skills University, and this video is in part dedicated to Rick. He has two YouTube channels. I'll link them below and you can check them out. I'm retired now, but in the 1990s I wrote quite a few songs. I played bass and played keyboard. And a few months ago I ran them through Suno and they got me back into it and I replayed those songs. But I was stuck because I wanted to write new stuff now that I'm retired and get more back into playing music, singing and things like that. Then I found Rick's channel. I sent him an email and he's been just giving me advice, helping me get back into music and getting that feeling again. So with that said, over the past 30 days I wrote 3 songs. And these are those songs. And I'm really enjoying singing again, playing again, and I'm really enjoying music again, and in large part thanks to Rick. Again, I'll link his channels below. If you don't know who he is, just Google him. With that said, I'm going to show you the demo bass and keyboards on this and then how I ran it through Suno. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any comments, suggestions, or ideas, please leave them below. And without further ado, let's go.
Focused, steady and ready. Yeah. Focus, yeah. Steady. What I remember, yeah. What I remember, yeah. About say Susanna School was the nuns who would beat us black and blue, pulling our ears and hitting our hands with a ruler. If you get an answer wrong, go stand in the corner. So I felt the 2nd grade and the 4th caught some shade. One nun said I had the attention span of a mouse. Sticks and stones, but those words would never fade. But overcrowding got me by, so I stayed in the house. I attended Martin Luther King Jr. High in Dixmoor, but now we're level down to the elementary floor. But in those 2 years, with a 65% attendance rate, what to do with me was now the great debate. I'm congruent and focused on me. So what you get is what you see. Feel, think, say and do it. I'm real. Just proving all my doubters is a thrill. Yeah, yeah, I'm focused, focused, focused. Woo! Steady and ready, steady and ready. Oh, focused and ready. If you really wanna shine, let's go, grind. Come on, come on, come on. second we are brought in this world, we gotta show up. If you hang there and doing nothing, you get slapped on the button. From that moment on, our growth clock starts to run. Just how fast will we talk, walk, learn, earn, and get along? We spend 12 years in school just learning how to write, learning basic math and constitution, avoiding bullies and fights. No matter how hard you work or what you think, do or say, something or somebody's always in the way, but not today.
You gotta come up with a master plan and figure out the steps.
Just get started any way you can,
Because there is always help.
each and every day stick to your plan and get a little bit better.
It's a grind,
But you'll improve in time.
so keep going, no matter.
It's time to grind.
I mean, go to work and open your mind.
You must work smart, hard, and long,
All of the time.
because there'll be plenty of time for rest.
When you're dead,
So for now,
just focus on one thing.
you and
Getting ahead.
you gotta grind to shine.
And it's your time to shine. Yeah, the MAGA party. Yeah, it's done.
To the American dream.
The Americans. Yeah.
The mega party of America just wanted on the Dems, built on lies, hatred, anger, racism, and US versus them. Why the Democrats are divided and need to get a plan. Project 2025 is running wild and completely out of hand.
It's kinda strange how them became US without a fuzz, but it's part of the plan, make them tools to be used. Kidnapping and imprisoning people just cause they can, instead of catching, releasing them back on their land.
Giving away 40B of taxpayer money to Argentina, while telling our farmers to cut costs and work leaner. While Trump loving Argentina gotta deal with China, and now both countries are Trump-made winners.
Project 2025 gives big tax breaks to the wealthy and rich, while taking more from the poor who have very little left. Then they dug a hole and put our freedoms in the ditch, so our dreams have no means, so we put them on the shelf. Democracy and the American dream is officially dead.
It's been lied to,
Backtracked and flipped on its head.
Project 2025
And the new regime
is taking everything.
our freedom, rights, voice, vote, and even our dreams.
This is what Project 2025 has done.
To the American dream.